Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Emily, and I'm really happy you're here today. Thank you for joining us and practicing your English with us.
Hi everyone, I'm Daniel. We're excited to spend some time with you today. Grab your coffee, take a deep breath, and let's enjoy some English together.
By the way, students, you're doing something amazing right now. You're listening to real English conversations. Little by little, your English is growing every single day.
Exactly. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just relax and enjoy the conversation.
Today's topic is very useful. We're going to think in English using the past, the present, and the future.
Oh, that sounds exciting. We use these every single day without even thinking about them.
That's true, Daniel. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow are part of our lives. If you can talk about these three things, you can have so many English conversations naturally.
And don't worry, students, this isn't a grammar lesson. We're simply talking like friends.
Yes, no boring classroom today.
Only friendly English conversations.
Let's practice together. Everyone, repeat after me. I can think in English.
Again, I can think in English.
One more time, nice and slowly. I can think in English.
Great job. See, you're already speaking English with us.
Emily has a question for you, Daniel. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great today. I slept well, I had breakfast, and I'm ready for our conversation. What about you, Emily?
I'm feeling happy and relaxed today. It's always fun talking with you and our students.
That's nice to hear. Students, here's a simple sentence you can use every day. I'm feeling happy today.
Let's say it together. I'm feeling happy today.
Or maybe you're feeling tired. That's okay too. You can say, I'm feeling tired today.
Or maybe, I'm feeling excited today.
Wonderful. English doesn't need to be difficult. Small sentences are powerful.
Speaking of today, Daniel, what did you do this morning?
This morning, I woke up early and made some coffee. Then I listened to music while getting ready.
Oh, I love listening to music in the morning. What kind of music do you usually listen to?
Usually something relaxing, nothing too loud. It helps me start my day calmly.
Students, let's practice together. I woke up early.
Again, I woke up early.
Great! Here's another useful sentence. I listened to music this morning.
Repeat with us. I listened to music this morning.
Nice work! You're doing great.
Emily, what about you? What did you do this morning?
Well, I made breakfast and watered my plants. Then I spent a few minutes reading a book.
That's a peaceful morning.
Thank you. My plants are very important to me. Sometimes I talk to them.
Wait, you talk to your plants?
Yes, don't judge me, Daniel.
No judgment here. Students, do you talk to your plants? If not, maybe start talking to your English books instead.
That's actually a good idea.
Now, let's ask our students a question. What did you do this morning?
Take a few seconds and think in English.
Maybe you can say, I had breakfast.
Or, I took a shower.
Or, I went to work.
Or even, I stayed in bed.
We've all done that sometimes.
Remember, students, there are no perfect answers. The important thing is to think in English.
Exactly. Don't translate everything from your language. Just think about your life in simple English.
Let's try another sentence together. Today, I am learning English.
Again, today I am learning English.
And one more time. Today, I am learning English.
Wonderful. You're speaking English already.
Before we continue, here's something interesting. We naturally talk about three things every day.
The past, what happened yesterday,
The present, what's happening right now.
and the future, what we're going to do tomorrow.
Simple, useful, and very natural English.
So stay with us because we're going to practice all three together in today's conversation.
And don't forget to speak with us whenever we ask you to repeat.
The more you repeat, the more confident you'll become.
All right, students, are you ready?
I hope you're ready.
Let's keep thinking in English together. Daniel, let's travel back in time a little bit. Don't worry, students. We're only going back to yesterday, not to the dinosaurs.
Oh, that's good news. I wasn't ready to talk about dinosaurs in English today.
Maybe another day. Today, let's think about yesterday.
Students, here's our first question. What did you do yesterday?
Take a moment and think about your answer in English. Keep it simple.
Maybe you watched the movie.
Maybe you went to school.
Maybe you studied English with us.
Or maybe you slept all day. No judgment here.
It happens sometimes.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us. Yesterday, I studied English.
Again, yesterday I studied English.
Very nice. Here's another one. Yesterday, I watched a movie.
One more time. Yesterday I watched the movie.
See? You're already talking about the past in English.
Emily, what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday was a nice day. I went for a walk in the evening and cooked dinner at home.
Oh, what did you cook?
I made chicken pasta. It was simple but really delicious.
Now I'm getting hungry.
English conversations always become food conversations somehow.
That's true. Students, can you answer this question? What did you eat yesterday?
Take a few seconds and think in English.
You can say, I ate rice yesterday.
Or, I had coffee in the morning.
Or, I ate pizza for dinner.
Let's practice together. I had coffee this morning.
Again, I had coffee this morning.
And now, I ate dinner with my family.
Repeat with us. I ate dinner with my family.
Excellent. Now, Emily, did anything funny happen yesterday? Actually, yes. I was looking for my phone for almost 15 minutes.
Oh no, where was it?
It was in my hand the whole time.
That's happened to me before.
Please tell me I'm not the only one.
Definitely not. Students, have you ever looked for your glasses while wearing them?
Or looked everywhere for your phone while holding it?
Sometimes our brains need more coffee.
That's probably true. Let's learn another useful sentence. Yesterday, something funny happened.
Repeat with us. Yesterday, something funny happened.
Very good. That's a useful sentence for daily conversations.
Daniel, what did you do yesterday after work? After work, I went to the supermarket and bought some fruit and milk.
Do you enjoy grocery shopping?
Sometimes I enjoy buying snacks. That's the fun part.
I knew you were going to say that.
Students, here's another question for you. Did you go shopping yesterday?
If the answer is yes, you can say, yes, I went shopping yesterday.
And if the answer is no, you can say, no, I stayed at home yesterday.
Let's practice both sentences together. Yes, I went shopping yesterday.
Again, yes, I went shopping yesterday.
Now the second one. No, I stayed at home yesterday.
Excellent pronunciation, students.
Here's a little challenge for everyone listening. Think about yesterday and answer these 3 questions in your mind.
What time did you wake up?
What did you eat?
What did you do before sleeping?
Simple questions can help you think naturally in English.
Actually, this is one of my favorite English exercises.
Mine too. You don't need a textbook for this exercise.
You only need your own life.
Exactly. Your life is already full of English practice.
Students, if you're listening right now, try talking to yourself in English every night.
Ask yourself, what did I do today?
Then answer in simple English.
For example, today I worked.
I watched YouTube.
I talked with my friends.
I learned something new.
You don't need long sentences. Simple English is beautiful English.
And remember, making mistakes is completely okay.
Nobody speaks perfectly all the time, not even native speakers.
Sometimes I forget simple words in my own language.
Same here.
Before we move on, let's practice one more time together.
Repeat after us. Yesterday, I learned something new.
Again, yesterday, I learned something new.
One last time. Yesterday, I learned something new.
Wonderful. We love hearing you practice with us, even if you're speaking quietly at home.
Keep talking, keep repeating, and most importantly, keep thinking in English.
In the next part, we're going to talk about the present, what we're doing right now, and what we're enjoying these days.
So stay with us. The conversation is just getting started. Students, sometimes we forget to celebrate small progress.
Exactly. If you're listening to this conversation today, you're already doing something great for yourself.
All right, Daniel, what are you doing these days?
These days, I'm trying to exercise more often. I'm also reading before bed instead of spending too much time on my phone.
Oh, that's a good habit. I'm trying to do the same thing.
It's not always easy, though. Sometimes my phone wins the battle.
I think many of our students understand that feeling.
Students, let's practice together. Repeat after us. These days, I am learning English.
Again, these days, I am learning English.
Wonderful. Here's another useful sentence. These days, I am practicing every day.
Repeat with us. These days, I am practicing every day.
Very nice.
Emily has another question for you, Daniel. What are you enjoying these days?
I'm enjoying morning walks and listening to English podcasts.
That's nice. I'm enjoying cooking at home and trying new recipes these days.
What's your favorite thing to cook?
Definitely pasta. I think pasta and English make people happy.
That's an interesting combination.
Students, what are you enjoying these days? Think about your answer in English.
Maybe you're enjoying watching movies.
Maybe you're learning a new skill.
Maybe you're spending more time with your family.
Or maybe you're enjoying your cup of coffee while listening to us right now.
If that's true, we're joining you for coffee today.
Now let's talk about the future. This is always my favorite part because it's full of dreams and plans.
I agree. Talking about the future feels exciting.
Daniel, what are you going to do tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I'm going to meet a friend for lunch and work on a personal project in the evening.
That sounds like a productive day. Tomorrow, I'm going to buy some books and practice English for at least 30 minutes.
Students, let's practice together. I'm going to practice English tomorrow.
Again, I'm going to practice English tomorrow.
One more time. I'm going to practice English tomorrow.
Perfect. You're sounding more confident already.
Emily, what's one thing you'd like to do this year?
I'd like to travel somewhere new and meet interesting people. What about you?
I'd like to learn another language someday. Learning languages is like opening new doors in life.
That's beautifully said.
Students, here's a question for you. What are you going to do this year?
Maybe you're going to improve your English.
Maybe you're going to travel.
Maybe you're going to start exercising more often.
Or maybe you're simply going to become more confident when speaking English.
Remember, big goals start with small, daily actions.
Even listening to one English conversation every day can make a huge difference over time.
Speaking of English, here's a fun exercise that you can do every single day.
Ask yourself 3 simple questions.
What did I do yesterday?
What am I doing today?
What am I going to do tomorrow?
That's it. Just 3 simple questions.
You'll naturally practice talking about the past, present, and future every day.
And the best part is that you're talking about your own life.
Real conversations are usually about simple things.
Native speakers don't use difficult words all the time. They simply talk about their lives.
So don't worry if your English feels simple. Simple English is real English.
Before we finish today's conversation, let's remember what we've practiced together.
We talked about yesterday and shared our experiences.
We talked about what we're doing these days and the things we enjoy.
And we talked about our plans and dreams for the future.
Students, you've practiced listening, speaking, vocabulary, and sentence patterns without studying grammar rules.
That's the magic of learning English through conversations.
We're really happy that you spent your time with us today.
And we're proud of you for continuing your English journey.
Learning English doesn't happen in one day.
It happens one conversation at a time.
So keep listening,
Keep repeating,
keep thinking in English.
and most importantly, keep speaking, even when you make mistakes.
Before you go, we'd love to hear from you in the comments. Answer these 3 simple questions.
What did you do yesterday?
What are you doing today?
And what are you going to do tomorrow?
Write your answers in English. Don't worry about making mistakes. Just do your best.
If you enjoyed today's conversation, please subscribe and join us for more English practice.
Thank you for listening and learning with us today.
Take care, students.
Keep thinking in English, and we'll see you in the next conversation. Bye, everyone.